1.5 I plus 3j plus 2.5 k, b is 0.6 I plus 1.2 j plus 2.5 k. Vector A is this, vector B is this. Let us try to get cross product of these two. I, j, k, 1.5, 3, 2.5, 0.6, 1.2, 2.5. A cross B is written here. First row, the unit vectors. Second row, rectangular components of vector A. Third row, rectangular components of vector P. This is equal to I into this column skipped, this row skipped, what left? 3, 2.5, 1.2, 2.5. And so this is what? 3, 2.5, 1.2, 2.5 minus j. This column skipped, this row skipped, 1.5, 2.5, 0.6, 2.5. 1.5, 2.5, 0.6, 2.5 plus k into this is skipped, this is skipped. What left? 1.5, 3.6, 1.2. So 1.5, 3.6, 1.2. Now let us solve this. I into, let us get the cross product. 25 3s are 75, 7.5 of these two, then of these two, 2.5, 1.2, 25 10s are 250, 25 2s are 50, so it should be 300 minus, and when you put this decimal point after 1, 2, only 3 will be left, minus j into this is 25 10s are 250 and 25 5s are 125. So it will be 250 plus 125, 350, 375, that is 3.75 minus 25 6 are how much? 150, that is 1.5 plus k into this one. We 15 10s are 150, 15 2s are 30, so that will be 180. It will be 1.8 minus 3 6 are 18, 1.8. 3 6 is 18, 1.8. 1.5 into 1.2, that will be also 1.8. Now this is equal to I into 7.5 minus 3, 4.5 minus 3.75 minus 1.5, 2.25, 2.25 plus k into 0, and so the answer is A cross B is equal to 4.5 I minus 2.25 J plus 0 K. So if the vectors are these, answer of these two will be this. A cross B is equal to 4.5 I minus 2.25 J plus 0 K. This is third problem. Let us go for fourth one. I plus 2j plus 3k minus I minus 2j minus 3k. Let us suppose the vectors given are these: I plus 2j plus 3k, vector A, vector B minus I minus 2j minus 3k, and A cross B is ijk A11, A22, A33, B1 minus 1, B2 minus 2, B3 minus 3. I into, this is skipped, 2, 3 minus 2 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 2 minus 3, minus j, this is skipped, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 3 plus k, this is skipped, 1, 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 1 minus 2. Let us solve this. I into this product, 2 3s are 6, this is minus, so minus 6, minus 2 3s are minus 6, minus j, this product, 1 3s are minus 3, minus 1 3s are 3, this is minus, so minus 3 plus k, this product, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, this is equal to I into minus of minus plus 6, plus 6 minus 6, 0, minus of minus 3 plus 3 minus 3, 0, minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2, plus 2 minus 2, 0. That is simply 0. That is simply 0. So cross product of vector A and vector B here is found to be 0. We know one thing, I cross I 0, J cross J 0, K cross K 0. It means that parallel cross product of parallel vectors is always 0. So here vector A and vector B should be parallel vectors. The direction may be opposite to each other. So it is plus, it is with minus. Let us go to the next problem, fifth one, and this is vector A is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Vector B is also 2i plus 2j plus 2k. And so product of these vectors is cross product 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 I into 2, 2, 2, 2 minus j into 2, 2, 2, 2 plus k into 2, 2, 2, 2. This is equal to I into 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus j into 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4 plus k into 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4. 0 I minus 0 j plus 0 k. This is equal to 0. Vector A and vector B are same, overlapping on each other. A is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. B is also 2i plus 2j plus 2k. These two vectors are same, overlapping on each other, or parallel vectors. And cross product of parallel vectors is 0. So we got this answer 0. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 6. 2, 6, 3, 3, 6. Let us see what will be cross product of these two vectors. Vector A is 2i plus 6j plus 3k and vector B is 3i plus 2j plus 6k. First row ijk, second row a1, a2, a3. a1 is 2, A2 is 6, A3 is 3. Third row, B1, B2, B3. B1 is 3, B2 is 2 and B3 is 6. The same method, I into this skipped, what left? 6, 3, 2, 6 minus j into this skipped, what left? 2, 3, 3, 6, 2, 3, 3, 6 plus k into this is skipped, what left? 2, 6, 3, 2, 2, 6, 3, 2. This is equal to I into 6 6 36 minus 2 3 6 minus j into 2 6 12 minus 3 3 9 plus k into 2 2 4 minus 3 6 18. This is equal to 36 minus 6, 30. So vector A cross vector B is equal to 30i. 12 minus 9 is 3, so it is minus 3j. 4 minus 18, 14 minus 14, so it is minus 14k. So cross product of these two vectors A cross B is 30i minus 3j minus 14k. This is a very simple way of solving the vector product or cross product of two vectors. Let us go for one more problem. Three I plus 6j plus 9k 12i plus 3j plus 6k. Now the vectors given are 3i plus 6j plus 9k, vector A. Vector B is 12i plus 3j plus 6k. Vector A cross B is first row unit vectors I, j, k, a1, a2, a3. So it is 3, 6, 9, b1, b2, b3, 12, 3, 6, and here I, this is skipped, here left 6, 9, 3, 6 minus j, this is skipped, what left? 3, 9, 12, 6, 3, 9, 12, 6 plus k, this is skipped, what is left? 3, 6, 12, 3, 3, 6, 12, 3. This is equal to I into 6 6 36 minus 9 3 27 minus j into 3 6 18 minus 12 9 108 plus k into 3 3 9 minus 12 6 76 vector A cross vector B is equal to 36 minus 27, it is 9, so 9i. Then 108 is minus, 18 is plus, so subtraction will be there, and what will be subtraction? Subtraction will be minus 90, minus 90 into minus plus 90, 90 j. 76 minus 9, 76 is minus, 9 is plus, we have to take away 9 from 76. If we take away 9 from 76, it will be minus 63. So vector product of these two vectors is 9i plus 90j minus 63k. This way you can solve many more problems. This will help you to understand how to carry out the vector product or cross product of two vectors. Hope you are understood. In the next lecture, we shall start with the next article. Till then, thank you.